If you can't take the heat, get out of Cozumel. Alright, let's do this. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan. Welcome back to Dan Overboard. Beautiful Sky Princess behind me. The Carnival Valor right next to us. And we're in Cozumel, Mexico. Once again, welcome back. If you haven't been here before, it's a beautiful spot. We, as in a couple of my teammates that I'm waiting for, we are going to eat today. My co-worker has a plan for us. Don't know exactly what it is, but I'm looking forward to it. He's been telling me about it. Got my hot sauce packed. Gonna meet them just across the way. And I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, what's up?
Hi, today we are in Cozumel. And our plan for today is just go, see the fish, watch the fish, buy the fish, and eat the fish. And cook it.
So
you can edit this, huh?
No!
Of course, you have to edit it.
No, this is the real deal. This is Tanveer and this is Sean.
Yes.
What is the best thing you love about this food?
I've been here once and it was pretty good, so we'll see how it goes.
We have to go there earlier because you will see the crowd flocking there. And they will take all the fishes before we reach there.
Where exactly are we going? We were here 2 weeks ago in Cozumel, and now we're back. It's not as hot today as it was then, which for me is disappointing because, as you know, I like it to be hot. The sun's hiding a little bit. Oh, no, it's coming. It's coming out now. We're actually just leaving like the little gated community area where they have all the shops and tourist areas for all the ships that are in port, and we're gonna go out of the little gated area to the actual city. And this restaurant, this mini super spa fast Wi-Fi, the Chi upstairs. That's where I was 2 weeks ago with Wilson. Wilson unfortunately disembarked. His contract was done. He's gone back to Malaysia now. It smells so good in here. Hey guys. Hey, what's up, man? Ooh, everything. Over here. Look at this. Look at that, Sean. Ooh. Any comments?
Quite warm.
For $20?
One for $20. Okay. Plus then
One for $20 US.
$20
For 14.
real money.
For
14 pieces.
40. 40.
14, 1, 4.
How much for this?
Oh, 1 4.
1, 4 for $20.
How much for this?
I'm not.
Welcome to the kitchen. So we've got all the different ingredients here that you choose, whatever you want. You pay your price, you buy your fish up at the front there. You pay one price, and whatever you want, you prepare it any way you want. You can spice it, bring your own things too. There's rice if you want to make rice, a whole bunch of different stuff here, hot sauce, oh yeah. Avocado, garlic, onions, tomatoes, parsley, everything like that. Cilantro. And then you can come here and you grill it or boil it or do whatever you want to do with it. Fry it, steam it, deep fry. and then you eat it. This guy is a master chef. You better be watching this, people. This man knows what he's doing. This will be our marinade. Tanveer's putting some lime in there. Fish masala, right?
Yeah.
And what's up?
It smells spicy. Damn spicy.
Smells like fish. Man, this guy's such a professional. Look at that. Look at the technique. It's amazing. You cannot copy that. No, no, no. That's one of a kind. Just like this guy. It better be spicy.
What is it?
Is this? That's fine. I can deal with this.
No. This not. It won't be spicy. I'll take care of it. I'll have more spice there if there won't.
Hey,
Please, do the spice level.
I want spicy. Hey, should I tell him that I'm allergic to lime?
I already put you in it. Too spicy?
It tastes like soil. You know, we're at the consistency of pancake batter at the moment. That's a big bowl. And that's gonna coat our fish. Being good tonight. Those look so good. I wish they were ours. Getting to work here. What are you doing, mate? Where did you learn to do all this stuff? Oh,
Passion for cooking.
good for you. There's a bit of skill involved and maybe just
You will eat rice with this?
talent. I don't know, I stopped eating rice.
You don't want Sean, you want rice with this?
Today I think I might do rice because this looks amazing. But I stopped eating rice maybe a month ago. I gotta look after my girlish figure. What kind of fish is it? Snapper? Snapper. What's my ex-girlfriend's name? Bimbo Blanco bread. Hey everybody, welcome back to What's On with Sean. This is Sean, his brand new YouTube channel. Thanks for coming along. It's still in the works, he doesn't even know about it, but
It's used to me.
basically what we do is we follow Sean around and we see what's on with Sean. Sean might go shopping for shoes one time on Shoreside, or he might eat some fish at the fancy feast place. But today, what's on with Sean?
We'll wait for some fish. It's like a wake show, but disappointing.
It's like the Wake Show, but bad.
It is.
I got a question for Sean. Sean, would you rather go to many different ports in a contract, or do you want to go to the same ports in a contract?
Many different.
Why many different ports?
Experience.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. I like the fact that we do go to different ports. I know some itineraries just go to the same ports for almost the whole contract, or at least a good chunk of the contract. Depends on the season of those contracts. But for me and Sean, we like different ports. What do you like? What's On with Sean? Check him out at www.youtube.com/.
What's on with Sean apparently. If anyone takes that channel over soon, thank you. There we go.
That's amazing. But this one is not with the sauce. And it's hot, man.
I can raise it with my finger. Cooked, right?
Oh, it's crispy on the outside, but I think it's still a little raw on the inside. But
Hey, Kevin! I was waiting for you, my lady.
कैसे चपाती में
चाहिए चपाती में? हाँ है ना चपाती है चाहिए?
finally, we had a nice, authentic Thanksgiving dinner with Corona and Kevin. Let's eat.
No, help yourself. I'm not going to video.
This one's the masala, right? This one's the tomato sauce.
It is called red masala, Richard masala.
Alright, after all is said and done, there's the aftermath. Alright, that's it. We're leaving. Ready? Ready, sirs?
Hey, you want to come? You want to come here?
Where?
Yeah, I'm going for a round, man. Just for a round, okay? But just to see how the.
Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna go back to the ship.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, say hi to your wife for me. You got your passport? Chocolate? You go shopping? Or you can go back to the ship? Come on, guys, hold hands. Hold hands. Didn't your mother ever tell you that? Come on, hold my hand across the street. Why the long face? Okay. Now it's nap time. Before I go back to work this evening. But good food. Thank you so much, Tanveer, for cooking all that up. Showing me the ropes of how you do it. I'm looking forward to the next time where he's going to take us somewhere else. Different location in Cozumel. To get prawns next time. But that's going to do it for all of us here on the Sky Princess. Thank you so much for joining. Join me in the next one. And in the meantime, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscription. So nice to see you. See you in the next one, and we'll see you overboard.